Let's harvest from the bottom and work our way up the top. I pulled all of the bottom leaves and I left the ones at the top so that the plant continues to grow. I did the same here. And this plant I did not harvest from yet. These leaves were looking a little bruised and battered, so these will go into my compost tea. Get that lid back on. This is my comfrey plant from G Mama Grows. Look how pretty this flower is. All right, comfrey. I decided to put this bucket here so that my compost tea will go into the bucket. I've already got rainwater in here. The tea will be diluted before I feed my plants. I guess those comfrey blossoms will also add some nutrients once I'm ready to fertilize my plants. All right, let me get into the kitchen. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.